Alright, just want to show you how to do the chain, how to take the chain off the main sprocket here. So the chain was already on the car like this. Alright, so what you do is you put your 27mm nut back, put a pry bar here holding it on, so you just tighten this a little bit, and after that, so I put a mark there, so it marks up to this one here, and all you gotta do is move this with your hand back and forth. Alright, and then this chain will just slip off the bottom, and then now you're ready to install the new one. Same thing, put the chain on and then just rock this back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and then the chain will go on with the sprocket. Very easy, so you don't have to actually cut the links off and do all that. You don't need to, because you can do it this way. Alright, this is the way to remove the chain without cutting the link. It's much better to do it this way, so you don't, that means the chain that you're going to put on, the link's always strong, it's never been touched, and much better than doing that. So chain just slips off when you move this back and forth. You can move a little bit. See, I just moved it from there to there. So if you look at the mark, that mark was lined up with that mark there, pretty much top to center, and I just moved it from there to there while I was pulling the chain out from the bottom, left and right in my hand. And as soon as I got to there, the chain just popped off, and that's it. Alright, now we can put the new chain on, and then we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.